Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to make a corrosive solution which eats away aluminum. For this, we will need sodium hydroxide, some water, and some aluminum foil. So first, we have to measure 4 grams of sodium hydroxide. Then we have to measure 20 grams of water. Now we need to mix these both till the sodium hydroxide completely dissolves in the water. Dissolving sodium hydroxide in water creates a lot of heat, so do this outdoors or in any well-ventilated area. Okay, so now the sodium hydroxide completely dissolved. Now we have to measure approximately 1 gram of aluminum foil. Now it's time for the reaction. Okay, so now we have to take the solution we made before and put the aluminum foil in it. In 3, 2, 1, go. The reaction of sodium hydroxide and aluminum creates hydrogen gas and sodium aluminate. A lot of heat is generated in this reaction and the solution starts boiling. So this experiment should only be done in a well-ventilated area. Okay, so as you all have seen, the sodium hydroxide solution has eaten away the aluminum foil. Let's check out from a different angle. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.